AI Dashcam Plus is shipping today and already changing how our customers think about safety. And one of those customers is here to share their story firsthand. I would love to welcome Cesar Rodriguez from Liberty Coca-Cola Beverages to the stage to hear how it's already making a difference for their fleet.
How you doing, Nihar?
All right, well, thank you so much for joining us today. Liberty Coca-Cola runs one of the largest fleets out there, and rolling out new technology at that scale is no small thing. Tell us, how did the install experience go for y'all?
Well, first off, thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here. And definitely, one of our fleets is one of the largest out there in the East Coast. And at scale, running into a situation where we need to come and slow down to do installations is definitely not something we wanted to do. Now, when we were looking at Motive, we definitely were interested in the fact that the new AI Dashcam Plus was offering us the ability to have a simpler cable system and a faster integration, and also that slimmer profile for the camera was able to keep that away from the driver's field of view. So we were able to reduce our initial thought process of the installation time being 1 hour to down to 30 minutes. So that definitely was a game changer.
That's incredible to hear, especially at the scale at which you'll operate. Now, once you are up and running, what's one of the biggest challenges that you're solving with the AI Dashcam Plus?
As you guys know, our brand is one of the biggest brands out there in the world. And fraudulent charges, fraudulent claims are definitely our biggest issue currently. We have a transportation group that runs 24 hours, and they are the biggest victims out there on the road. We constantly have drivers that are claiming that we hit them. We have hit and run situations, and it's always been an issue trying to scramble around and get that information still that we can, properly go after those claims.
Yeah, that makes sense. So what difference is having two road-facing cameras on the AI Dashcam Plus made for y'all in these cases?
Oh, absolutely. Those dual cameras are a game changer. The wide-angle lens is allowing us to capture as much information as possible off of the road. We're able to see if there's any potential witnesses, able to get information off of the scene, and able to get as much detail as possible that we didn't have before. The zoom lens is definitely the biggest factor. Now we're able to zoom into the scene, capture license plate information, look into the vehicle to see if there's any potential distractions or malpractice from the driver, and also, excitingly, we're able to now capture the year, make, and model off the vehicle.
Yeah.
So that we can go after that claim.
I love to hear that, and you all are making such great use of that narrow field of view lens. So what has the AI Dashcam Plus revealed maybe about your driver's behaviors that you didn't know before?
So Liberty is definitely #1 value of safety. And we consistently try to tackle any potential incidents and believe that speeding events were our biggest issue. Moving over to Motive, we saw an immediate spike in different events that weren't being captured before. And especially right now we're starting to realize that the root cause is distractions. Now, as you guys know, the distractions comes in many different forms. It's whether the driver's fidgeting with the GPS, changing radio station, eating, or on their cell phones. And in the past, these events weren't being captured and they were getting away with it. Now, with the AI coaching and the events being captured, the drivers are starting to understand and appreciate what we're doing for them and changing the culture for them. And along with that, they're excited to see every day their safety scores. They're always, ready to see 100%. And with those safety scores, they know that they're able to compete at the end of the year at what we call our Liberty Safety Rodeo, where the drivers, the finalists, are able to win up to $10,000.
That rodeo sounds amazing. Such a great story that you're sharing with us here, Cesar. It's stories like this that really drive us. This partnership we have with you all and with everyone here is what Motive is built for. Thank you for being with us today, Cesar.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you, everybody.
All right, and now I would like to bring back up Shoaib.